If you're experiencing lag spikes in Apex Legends, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate lag issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Adjust settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail to improve performance. This can help reduce lag during gameplay. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Apex Legends, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or file downloads can consume bandwidth and processing power, leading to lag. Step 4. Change server region. Sometimes lag can be caused by connecting to a server that is too far away. In the game settings, change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help improve your connection stability and reduce lag. Step 5. Update drivers in-game. Ensure that your graphics card drivers and the game itself are up to date. Outdated drivers can lead to performance issues, and keeping the game updated ensures you have the latest optimizations and bug fixes. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize lag spikes in Apex Legends and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.